Do you ever eat fast food?
So many times.
Will Portugal win the World Cup?
Yes.
Oh.
Un pesimista.
This is a key one. I think most players do, but do you watch your goals back?
Yes.
Is your bicycle kick your best ever goal?
Yes.
What do you reckon was your best ever goal? If that says no, what else do you think comes close to that?
For me, it's the best goal.
For you, it is.
You can say the most difficult.
Yeah.
Most beautiful.
Yeah.
Depend. So many things.
Is the Premier League the hardest league in the world?
Yes.
Do you snore?
Probably no, but sometimes maybe yes.
I need one word.
No.